In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a client portal in Wix Studio. First, open your Wix Studio site. Head to wix.com, sign in, and go to your site's dashboard. From there, choose the site that was built on Wix Studio since the features we're using are optimized for that builder. Open that specific project and click Edit Site to jump into the editor. Next, add the Members or Client Area app. In the left-hand menu, open Apps and then App Market. Use the search bar to look for Client Portal, Wix Online Programs, or Members Area. Select the option that best fits your needs. Wix Online Programs is great for program-based offerings, while Members Area is ideal for general account dashboards. Click Add to Site, and when prompted, approve the permissions so Wix can create member pages and enable secure login functionality. After installation, Wix automatically generates a set of member pages. You'll see a member account page, program, or course listings, and if you're using online programs, you'll also get visitor, participant, and program list pages. Think of these as the backbone of your client portal. They house account details, dashboards, bookings, payments, and any gated content your clients will need. You can customize the design within the editor, but the structure is ready to go. Now, make it easy for visitors to access the portal by adding a login bar. In the editor, open your home page or any page where you want the portal link. Click Add, choose Elements, then search for Login Bar or Member Login Bar. Drag it into your header or preferred spot in your navigation. This adds clear sign-up and login options so clients can create accounts and access their portal from anywhere on your site. Configure who sees what. Open the Apps menu and select Wix Online Programs or Members Area, then go to Manage Access. Decide whether people must sign up before they can view portal pages, and assign member roles such as Client or VIP Client to control visibility for specific pages or sections. If you're using Wix Online Programs, set up your programs, subscriptions, and payment plans so clients can purchase and immediately see their dashboards, schedules, and resources once logged in. Finally, test everything. Click Preview, sign up as a new member, and log in with your test account. Confirm that the portal pages load properly and that bookings, subscriptions, and dashboards work as expected. That's it. Your Wix Studio site now has a fully functional client portal connected to a single login bar, giving clients secure access to private content. If you found this helpful, comment and subscribe for more Wix